Hey everybody, welcome back. Today's video we're going to do a short segment on how to first access the instructions for the PowerPoint online and then how to start a new PowerPoint using 365 online. To find the instructions, I'm going to go over to our class website, Hagen Class, click on PowerPoint, and here's a list of all our lessons. And if I scroll down, voila, here is the All About Me PowerPoint instructions and demo. Since this isn't required, I've got a lot of blah, 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 blah. Here we are for the requirements for creating the All About Me using PowerPoint online. I'm going to click on this blue underlined word, which usually indicates on a web page there's a link. Cool. Got some more instructions here. One of the first things it says, be sure to turn off the simplified ribbon bar. Got a picture here. So when I log into 365 online, I want to look for that inside PowerPoint. Below this are all my minimum requirements. These short videos are going to take you through step by step one of these. You can also watch an entire video of how I create my All About Me in about 30 minutes. All right, let's go with the first one. We need to first save a presentation in our DIT working folder. Well, we have to start one first to save it. So I'm going to go over to Class Link, click on this fabulous orange O for Office 365. It will open up this icon for me, and it tells me good morning. And if I look for PowerPoint, the very top, I've got this orange P for PowerPoint. I'm going to click on it, and it will launch a bunch of options for me to open up existing PowerPoints. I want to go ahead and start with a blank new document. Click on that. Does the magic. Do 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 do. Ooh, I'm going to go back to my instructions and check this out. It says I need to be sure to turn off the simplified ribbon bar. So this little round circle should be on the left. Go back to my presentation. It looks like right now I have simplified ribbon turned on. So I'm just going to click on this circle. And it says, okay. I'm not going to tell them why I want to use Classic. It's because Classic is better. Classic ribbon bar will actually looks more like the 2016 version. Voila! Now my simplified ribbon picture looks just like this one. And I can start creating my PowerPoint. Since we're the online version, we don't have to go File, Save. We just click at this top where it says presentation and then a number. We're going to change the name to All About Me and add your name. Mrs. Hagen. You're not Mrs. Hagen. All right. Great job. So remember, the first thing you're going to do is click on this simplified ribbon bar. And if you rename it, it's automatically saved in your PowerPoints over here. So if I refresh the screen, bloop, 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 bloop. And just give it a second. Hey, look at that. My All About Me is right there. And this is my brand new one. You edited it today at 11:04. Voila. So we've gotten done with step one. Step one is good to go.